Well, good morning and welcome. I am in the middle of a long weekend in British Columbia in May 2025, and I decided that I would head out from where I work in Revelstoke, British Columbia, to visit my sister in Medicine Hat, Alberta. And what a pleasant surprise on the way. I encountered this beautiful herd of elk in Yoho National Park. I'm just going to stop talking now and let you enjoy the complete beauty of what's coming up for the next couple of minutes. If you are enjoying this, please like, share, and subscribe. Helps me to make more like this in the future. Thank you very much for your time today. I hope you're enjoying your long weekend as much as I am.